Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start my video off a little bit differently than I have before. I'm going to ramble. Well, actually, maybe that's not so different. Maybe I ramble in the beginning of every video, but today I wanted to touch on something that's kind of been like in my mind, and I wanted to kind of talk about the YouTube community and just spreading the love. So what I'm referring to is, it would be really nice is if when we start videos, just anyone in general, if we could give love to people or just shout out people that inspired us to make a purchase, or you know, like the last couple of videos that I've done have been heavily inspired by Sasha. I don't know if some of you guys watch her. She's over at Sasha Isms. A lot of my videos have been inspired by her, but also other people too, and I will mention those people. I will say, hey, this is what inspired my purchase. So it's very apparent when you're watching someone and they kind of gloss over the fact that like they got inspired to make the purchase from, they'll just say like YouTube, people on Facebook, people on Instagram. It's very inauthentic, and you can tell the people that just want to like gloss over it. I watch my friend Angie, so Wax Goddess. If you aren't subscribed to her, go check her out. She's Wax Goddess Angie. But when she does a video and she is inspired to make a purchase from someone, when she says it, it's very genuine. It comes from her heart. It's very organic. It doesn't feel forced. It's just like she's saying, hey, I was inspired. Like, she doesn't mind. It's like not a big deal to her. And I feel like some other people are just like, they just don't want to send any traffic to anyone else. And to me, that's not what community is about. It's about shouting out other people and giving people credit when they deserve it. And I don't know. I just feel like lately it just seems like people just want to like ride the coattails of other people, and I don't know. Also too, I think it's good when people say, hey, this is who inspired my purchase, because maybe the vendor wants to know, hey, where did all that traffic come from? Because I have heard vendors say, hey, this was my biggest restock yet. And then you just saw like 3 haul videos from someone from that same company, and you're like, hey, maybe that person inspired, maybe got your Facebook group 100 more members, or maybe they made your restock the biggest yet because word is getting out about your company via YouTube or Instagram or whatever it is. Just give the person some credit, like, hey, so-and-so inspired me to make this purchase. Like, it's not that hard. Back in like probably some of my earlier videos, I probably was horrible about doing that. Or sometimes my memory was like not great, and sometimes I'd be like, I don't know where I heard this person. I know I saw somebody's video. Sometimes I did do that, but I've been trying really hard lately to like make sure that I shout people out, because I think it's like building the community or whatever. So I'm gonna get off that rant, and that's all I want to say. But I discovered a new vendor. This is based on Susan Fitz. Susan Fitz is responsible for this order. I call her Susan Fitz, but her name is Susan Fitzpatrick on YouTube. And also Sasha from Sasha Isms. I've seen her haul Savannah Blue. Between the two of them, like, they get me in trouble. Susan Fitz has a way of, when she does her warm reviews and I keep seeing Savannah Blue, I'm like, dang it, I really want to order from Savannah Blue. So also, hopefully I remind myself, I want to mention 2 YouTubers that I want you guys to check out. Actually, you know what, I'll just mention them now so I don't forget. But one of my longtime friends, well, not long time, we've been short friends. Well, what does that mean? Okay, we've been, like, we started talking maybe last year about Ray Dunn stuff. And I didn't know she did videos. All of a sudden, we're like Instagramming, messaging each other, and she's telling me that she's doing YouTube. And I'm like, wait a second. She's like, yeah, you're subscribed to me. And I'm like, I am? So yeah, so I wanted to direct you to Marissa XX. So it's Marissa Red, I think she is on Facebook, or on, let's see, what is she Marissa Red on? I don't know. Anyways, it's Marissa XX, and I'll link her channel down below. And also there's another YouTuber that Sasha sent me to. Her name is Nacelle, and she had I believe a Hayden Rowe haul up on her last video, and I fell in love with her videos. So I definitely recommend you go check her out. She seems like a real sweet girl, and Marissa is as well. Marissa's been a good friend to me, and Nacelle just seems like a sweet person, and I really enjoy her content and her videos. So check both of those people out. Okay, let's get to Savannah Blue because I want to show you guys the presentation of this packaging. Let me just move you up. Let me use my little handy dandy thingy here. And we will look at the packaging. Sorry, I know my camera tripod thingy is not the best. It's very rocky. Okay, so this is how the package came to me. And it came like this in a small priority mailbox, but this is the card. And then she sent a card within there and she spelled my name right, which sometimes people don't, and it's fine. It's totally fine. But when they do, I'm just like, whoa. Okay, and then this is the card, which I thought was so cute because it matches her paper. I thought the tape on there was super cute. So it just says, thank you so much for your order, Kimberly. Happy melting. Oh, so it's Amy is the owner. I was looking at her card and I didn't see her name on there. So I'm gonna have to move my camera back down because this angle is weird and I'm like, So there's that. I thought the presentation was super cute. So then basically what you do is you just peel off this tape here and then you open it up and there are your products. Now the products were set up nicer. I kind of shifted things around, but that's pretty much how it goes. Okay, let me move you back down. I just wanted to show the presentation because sometimes I forget to show like when presentation is really like spot on and like pretty, and I just forget to do it. Okay, so let's see, how do I want to do this? Go ahead and just move you guys back up. Okay. So now I did not catch like a restock like as it happened, but let me hold this card up for just a sec while I talk so you can see the info if you're interested. So I did not catch a restock. I just kind of went on because I was talking to Susan and I was like, hey, I think I'm just going to order from Savannah Blue and I'm just going to see what she has on her site. And she had some stuff left over. So I was like, screw it. Let's go ahead and let's go in there and just grab a few things. I like to order small when I'm ordering from new vendors, although that hasn't necessarily been the case with everyone. But so I did get a few samples here. So the first one I got is Blizzle. Let's see, is that Blizzleberry? Okay, yeah. Blizzleberry cupcakes, and it's blueberry, marshmallows, and cupcakes. I really wanted one of her hot air balloon shapes. I don't know why. Those just like really get me. And so yeah, this is definitely blueberry. It's that sweet blueberry scent. I can actually tolerate blueberry when it's mixed with blueberry and other things. This one is not too bad. I am not a blueberry lover at all, but for some reason blueberry is a little bit better for me. I don't know why. So that's the first sample. Super nice. Always love to get samples. I warm through my samples or I'll, you know, give them away like to people if I want me to try a company. So this is the Gidgets, and I don't have the scent description for this guy. I was gonna look it up and then I forgot. Oh, okay, this is very fresh, like a fresh, maybe laundry, maybe ocean, maybe an air scent. Hard to tell, but it smells good. When I do a warm review, I'll try to make sure that I do that. Also too, oh, this reminds me as well. So I forgot to say, I'm also gonna try to still keep doing my quickie vendor reviews and then, you know, just kind of new vendors that I've been trying. I've been trying to do them a little bit at a time because I like warming through the, I like warming through some stuff before, or no, what am I trying to say? I like to warm through stuff and then come back to you guys and report. Now, if you wanna watch, I know I keep saying Sasha, but she just keeps coming to mind. She is the one that will do like a haul and then she will warm stuff before she actually videotapes. So she'll do like the haul and then she'll talk about the warm reviews of things. You know, she doesn't wait like 1 or 2 weeks like most of us do. In fact, she was probably the first one that ever started that whole trend. So if you want to see someone who does that, I like that because then that gives you an idea of how the stuff warms. So that's very helpful. I don't do that. That's not me. I have to warm my stuff like when I feel like it or whatever. I can't like wait to do a haul till, you know, 2 months down the road. So I'll just keep doing like my quickie vendor reviews or whatever on new vendors. So, okay, let's keep going. Sorry, I keep getting sidetracked. So this is Newport, saltwater taffy and salty sea air. Surprisingly, she had quite a bit left on the site, even though I missed like the main event. Oh, and that smells really good. I love a good saltwater taffy scent, and when it's mixed with salty sea air, you really can't go wrong. And these buns are adorable. She's got a really nice size product as well. You know, if you're just trying something out, you don't necessarily want like a huge size, so this is good. Okay, I grabbed Jam Session. This is strawberry jam, blackberry jam, butter cookies, and Twinkies. I do like blackberry jam butter cookies. And then I thought with the strawberry jam, I'd never had like that combo before. Okay, that's interesting. So you definitely smell that blackberry jam butter cookies in there. And you do get a little bit of strawberry jam. It's a nice mix to just a straight, you know, you could just buy blackberry jam butter cookies, but this is a nice mixer or changer upper or whatever you want to say to blackberry jam butter cookies. Okay, the next thing I got, I was totally excited about this one. Swiss coffee. This is coconut cream, espresso, cappuccino, and whipped cream. This order also got to me like super fast. I cannot believe the shipping. Oh, this one smells good. Okay, so you can definitely smell that coconut cream in this coffee. This is not like a super heavy coffee. This is more coconut cream dominant. I'm sure the whipped cream in there is really like creaming it out as well. So if you want kind of a less strong coffee, like maybe if you are not a coffee lover, but you want to try like a little bit of coffee, that one would be a good one to try. Also, I feel like Susan Fitz would like this one. I don't know, maybe she's tried it though. Ginger and lime soda. I don't know, am I wrong on that? Susan, if you happen to be watching. Oh, this smells so good. Like, I am a fan of fizzy pop type scents, but this one you can smell the ginger in there. Oh, that is gorgeous. You can't really go wrong. If you like fizzy scents, I would highly recommend trying that one. That one is very good. Sorry, I'm kind of making a mess here. So then she has these, I think they're like called snap bars, or I don't remember. I'm sorry. This is lemonade soda. I love a good lemonade type of scent. Oh, okay, so this is mostly lemonade to me. Like that's basically what I'm smelling. But I love, and it kind of has like a little bit of like that fizzy pop soda type scent going on. So that one's very good. I love that type of scent for summer. This is Savannah Blue Lavender Sugar Cookie. And this actually, I just noticed this here. I don't know if all of these have them on here. Oh yeah, oh crap, okay. So on here, this is nice. She's got poured fresh on 5/24/2019, melt after June 7th, even better after June 21st. That is really good to know. That's awesome. So love that. This is Lavender Sugar Cookie. Okay, this one, let's see. This one is stronger on lavender, less sugar cookie. Now this is just on cold. We all know everything on cold is gonna change when it's warmed up, so you just never know. This one I might add some more sugar cookie to, or you know, some sort of cookie to it to kind of change it up a little bit. Then we have Lavender Latte. Surprisingly, I've never had a lavender latte. I've seen it around in some of the groups, but it's fresh coffee, coconut milk, honey, sweet lavender, and vanilla. And again, we have that tag back there. So lavender latte, and then look at the graphic. I love the graphic. I think that is so pretty. That's one of the things that kind of attracted me to her website. For some reason, I'm a big sucker for like a pretty aesthetic. Oh, that smells good. What the hell? Fresh coffee, coconut milk, honey, sweet lavender, vanilla. That's good. Oh, that smells completely different than I ever thought it would. It's coffee. It's coffee, but this one is really unique. I highly suggest just trying this one because it's going to be hard to describe. You can smell the coffee in there, and then it's kind of creamed out. And then the lavender, it's just like a touch of lavender. It's not overly herbal or anything like that. That one's really good. My system is not working here. I should have put like flat on flat. Didn't work. Oh, this one's really pretty. I'm going to take this one out of the bag. It's pretty. So this is That's My Daughter in the Water. Oh, you know what? This one did have a scent description. It's not on the actual package, but on the website it had a scent description, and now I'm probably gonna not know what it is. I do remember it was some sort of like ocean type thing. Very fresh. I like this one. This one is very fresh. I'm not smelling anything like distinct out of here. Anyways, that one's really pretty. I do like that one. So I love a good fresh scent. So I'm not gonna, definitely gonna be happy about that. All right, so that is it. That was just my smallest order. Like I said, I just kind of picked up at her last restock that she kind of had some things left over, and I'm excited to try out her wax and see how it does for me. And like I said, I'll come back and do like my quickie vendor reviews or whatever that I've really been enjoying doing. And I've really been trying to, like I said in previous videos, I've really been trying to like push through newer wax to see how it does, like after a couple weeks or 3 weeks or whatever they recommend. So yeah, so I will be back with a review, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you will check out Savannah Blue. Yeah, again, I blame it on Susan and Sasha. So thank you for that. And then I will link the 2 YouTubers that I mentioned down in the description box. It'll be at the top so you can see it. And then I'll also put a link for Savannah Blue so you can just go straight to her site and check it out. She might still have some stuff kind of like lingering on her site that you might want to go check out. And yeah, so that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much again for watching. I really do appreciate everyone that is part of the community and takes time to comment. And just, I have met so many people in the last, I don't know, like month or so that I have just been so excited to be like talking to, and just, it just makes a difference for me, like in my daily life, I guess. I don't know, it's just being part of a community and having those people to talk to. And then I've met some new people that I've started talking to that I'm really excited about. And just in general, it's just nice to have that same like common thread that we all have, that you know, we like wax, but then there are other similarities between us as well. So yeah, really loving that. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.